The search for Jack Frost continues. Due to circumstances in the North Pole, I am unavailable for further comments. I turn things over to music icon Eugene Smith. New information reveals that Tafadzwa may not be responsible.
You think I like the snow? No!
Field correspondent Murray the W has more.
I'm from Ontario,
Recent weather in California holds Tafadzwa responsible.
where we love the snow.
Yes, this is your intrepid reporter Murray the W here reporting for Little Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation at the North Pole. We have just learned some breaking news. We understand that
But we in the valley now looking for Jack Frost.
there's been a long-standing, I'm talking about an 8th century feud between the two most prominent citizens here at the North Pole, Jack Frost and Santa Claus.
Hey, Jack!
Now, we've learned from reliable sources that this feud
Jack? Where is he?
is all about pucks.
Whoa! I love the snow.
No, good people, not hockey pucks. We're talking about reindeer pucks. Santa Claus lets his reindeer roam free.
Shut up!
And there was a time when Santa Claus picked up his reindeer doo-doo in huge doggy bags.
Jack's sounding like a dog. Okay, Jack.
But his elves have been so busy making technologically advanced toys these days
Jack!
that there's no time for making doggy bags. Make them in-house because there's no Walmart at the North Pole.
No!
Now, Jack Frost, we understand, has been really annoyed about this problem. There are pucks all over his backyard skating rink, and it looks like a giant sea of glossettes out there, and they tend to be sticking to the hockey skate. It's been a problem for Jack Frost.
Hey, Jack! Where is he?
Santa Claus used to take the doo-doo and take it out to the tundra and bury it, but he hasn't had time to do that lately, and so this feud is ongoing. We're going to get to the bottom of this, and we'll be back later.
See you later, alligator.
By the way, you'll notice that I've got my Russian Cossack hat on here, and that's because here at the North Pole, Russia's right there. See you later.
See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile.